I was about 3 days ago, and I uploaded this particular flyer. I say, business mogul Ibrahim Mahama, our Mahama, a brother, no. What Mercedes-Benz, ama Ralph DeFellowGhana, the NDC social media activist. That thought, Mercedes-Benz, Eddie Amano. Emma Ebeye Debia, as I come as a Ghana for the TikTokers, no. I bet you my journey. Ewa hona omabuza question say adwuma bɛn ana Ralph aye ama Ibrahim Mahama ntino yama ne ka Ghana do I Penyah block me that I say need you over like video no that my subscribe button so click notification icon of latest updates na ba chira wa adwen dey amame e comment section so ba so no show for on your share. So Ralph DeFellowGhana when he was in opposition now we are so loud, in fact we are so loud what me edi ne nyansa na adwene e convince Ghana meburu boabo man dom ye useless demonstrations e wo Ghana ha no just to get attention for himself, because Adiana Ralph ne kata shini ne kokoti ne mo we nyina no he just wanted to get attention for himself, nothing. He just wanted something for himself. Me say Ghana ha se o makwase bi isu a wajimi obi obestati bibia no or one interest me ka kire wo ne so also be young kwasi asem anko di nachi ono or interest ebia wonim they are promising no bo she be they ahye no e say onyere no ebo a esosidi ye be ma ne wei na wa mo no e ne nyansa abefa oda kwengwase adwuma because obeka ya demonstration omu ye ya bubi pa please for the bubi because that omu jime dodo Occupy Jubilee demonstration. It was such a destructive demonstration. Demonstration more road leading to 37 military hospital Krama blocking. Ambulance in Timinko. Emma that day obi wuye. But I see a year demonstration civil Ghana. Look at this nonsense. So Ralph did all these useless demonstrations. At the end of the day, it was just a politically influenced demonstration just to give attention to a certain political party. Because demonstrations na end this for na ajiaboso. And also how this guy was loud when NDC was in the opposition. That was NDC back out of nowhere Ralph or the no as or near this for no ekati deals any other and will declare the stand. Mahama is good, he trusts in Mahama, he does that. That was what declare the stand. I'm here nipa oye. It now no man am di na chief for demonstration ya boom nyina no man say mo jimi what ban kwase adwuma we is free in the style munsu nyansa we is free now I had this Ralph and abusia video pop up on the internet as a video na say etie mu a Ibrahim Mahama a brother to the president of this country Ibrahim Mahama what Mercedes-Benz e dey man Ralph DeFellowGhana
Ghana for mo share Ralph car ni Kana Ibrahim Mahama Ibrahim two or ban the two nearby we and a Benz nesi actually no we BM so Ibrahim Mahama wow Ghana for Ralph car na Ibrahim Mahama dia man na metim na hwe car inside Ghana for mo hwe bi o car na bodam car inside new na seat na metim na masa Ralph yes there so we dey abeto car no so Kani banana na chosen wow ani ready dey Mahama muchini bia na be unsu yi I don't share na Ralph ready asa na be ka che Ibrahim Mahama amen
you believe is a mebunu bi etu omu wesiwo a ye enye no omo beka ye etia no betene se na be ya mpelifo so be de ye no I think said na ministry of no be bi omo makwan na usubi a ohia boafo na mendomo na nya boafo
amen ya ba ya nua Ralph abompa ya ma Ibrahim Mahama tika ne de na misha no se na misha no
tika ne de
ka no de mu abodam eti men so ma men fama de se de nto aso na yes ya papa Ibrahim Mahama se me de me pick up because Ralph car no je ye no mo hwe Ghana fo mo hwe ka we mi ntimi fa nko ya adwuma wo nwura mu ko me kolon jani
nwura me adwuma fa na akwa ga se
eti me pe car na pick up mesela mon pe mon ka che Ibrahim Mahama say on pe pick up mama na memfanya adwuma
now o comedian as well I'm all for that question say Ye nyina Ghana ha no mo. Ye hu se Raf na afra bi ni Ibrahim Mahama da bi. Ye hu se na afra bi no ni dia da bi ehu ye. Oni ye nim de bi. Ye nim the man say no on NDC for in bed. Raf is just in bed with the NDC. And I don't know say demonstration there yeah no his sweat will be paid off one day. But everyone got here Ibrahim Mahama amaneka Mercedes-Benz. And I want to that question say, with all due respect, Edwuma Ben and a rough. I am Ibrahim Mahama. It's your talker, Eddie man. And now say, ye ni ma se ye nua. Am ye nua akwa ye. Na nkoye say ne president now talker Eddie ache. Ralph DeFellowGhana na I'm creating attention. Is that what is going on in Ghana now? The TikTokers want to know.
Sure. And same because of Ghana ha. Charlie, I was say, yen youth no. Yen sorry, na yen kasa. The hypocrisy, the double standards has become too rampant in the system. The double standards have become too rampant in the system. I mean, what did you do? Oh, Raf. 2024, a deba in one year ukrum ha. Akufu ado teso, a deba in a Raf, who 1 year ukrum ha. Unam galamsey site, now namana u blocky street, now you say, Sani na uye no. Na your selfish gains in tia. Then you your selfish interest in tia now, yes, sir. I don't blame you. I blame some of the youth. Omo short memory. Oma jumundo. I'm supporting NDC. I blame some of the youth. Oma jumundo. I'm supporting NDC. Let me repeat it again for you to understand it clearly. Because, Raf. Just say, akujina adum chedua. Now sorry. I could trap pictures, I could trap videos, say, I didn't think a papa ni see a sorry dying when see company. You have that audacity to ask such questions. But Misumi Busa say, I didn't think Ibrahim Mahama Mercedes-Benz no no one kasa on see company because there are a lot of youth who associate Jumaye. I didn't think one kasa some no. Do you think say we are fools? Because adia wo ye nyina no ni nyina na ya selfish gains intia. Enkofo bebre amoto abama NDC ya bebre ho kire omo bebre even media isu enkofo bebre aba besusa o man nko ye just say akufo ado wo so no enima bi mu ye den kakra ntino na Mahama nya hwe krampo a enkofo bebre heli ni no hwe. The truth of the matter, the fact on the ground is say, and now because of so you are connected. Unya bibi wonkofo omomo aban mu wonti no, uyo okay. Galamsey no jaya na Raf. Galamsey na jaya. Ukrum wan kase ukrum dunkwa on ofin. The whole Ghana, baby you two Galamsey. And the first star, be the second. Why didn't you go there? And I said, I didn't know go CCA. Now go track the current state of Galamsey. I will enter be at said then I in the previous years no. Now Amari Shako. Who Amari Shako? Unsu na obejine unsu ba media so be ka say Mahama nya hwe na mo na mo ka bi mo keke. That means mu nyina no kre no because of say mo no ya shema fun movement no. Right now you don't want to fight for the youth again. Bobotoma ye mafunuma she, you are okay. Bobotoma ye mafunuma she. Mo di dia mana broso eni ntino muhu red a mo se yellow. Okay, ya timase. Che Raf na minka se mi jow. Ye kan asori omo Ghana, the churches in Ghana, oma contribute to the development of Ghana more than politicians no. tell you for a fact. I sorry no when it you when you put your tax I sorry they get tax. I sorry the mining in our say or call IMF Akojiska. Are you okay? Are you okay? As that Ben almost a Pentecost for sorry say or call IMF Akoji loan. NPP NDC and omoko IMF omoko World Bank like omoko pre international aid in the name of Ghana as a country omoba no be chase Kennedy sisi ade wo beka the unchained squad no bi ntino right now no like untumi nkasa biem omaka okasa boahye yembi nso no ye ba sani nsuo ye no sanso na wia beye sani nsuo ye sanso na wia beye wo gina ho like the way na wani abrea o fight no minim say by this time ka betima bo Mahama tuja president Mahama tuja ma 24-hour economy no wa implement it 1 year down the drain. What has happened? 1 year down the drain. What is the current state of the 24-hour economy? Have you thought about that? Raf, what do you know? And who can't na President Mahama di campaign no. Adentina wo no aben nipa na unim nyansa no. Adentina sa nyansa na unya de ko adum chedu ya ko buza ne ekoka kire ne say onfa na so ni si company. Adentina unya the same nyansa, the same wisdom, the same knowledge no. Na won kan che President Mahama obeda die say ye nto aba no man no oden kokon ketenkete be ban. Adentina unya sa the same nyansa na fight na Mahama anya kokon ketenkete na nkofo nya adwuma nye. Most of you na internet no so munya phone ajimisem into sebi because munim say enkofo bebe vulnerable e di NDC achi because some they are punching and some dey kusie mpo gina mpo beto ama no ye ne bi no enye saa in the previous years ye nyina na ye bakufu ado achi now we thought say we are all doing it for good no we say more selfish Akufo-Addo tusu de da wo ye nyina no sa na Akufo-Addo na alternative ntia because Mahama buy no nothing has changed. We are still the same. Can you tell me one single thing I was say asesa? Uko kan obeka say dollar up down na youth no adwuma ni ekuro ni ma youth ni benya adwuma ya youth ni nya adwuma nye sika nhye mboto ma dollar na ba form na say de nyoma gi 1 cedi krompo a okofesika ho na ode atobi CCA, you can see you take cars about 5,000 cities. How many youth in the Penyah 5,000 cities? I could talk cars in it. Yet take rent so a month 50 cities. There are a lot of youth are munya juma yet no munya can hide. Because you see when your baby papa akoshe, when your baby akoshe nti CCA ye more cars ni nti oh, utim na oye gaga oh, na ke me park no hin. Once one ka so ni munyansa. Fasia to unyi baby mpake ka ye dia che unyi baby mpake adenta on kan che nipa say oh ka me nya baby mpake on me pa che fa scan ko bie company even pure water sachet water company mpo a enkofo bi nya adwuma ye man che beti o maka bia 1000 na bia 800 cities e wo rural areas a eno so be ebetimi survive o mo. Have you thought of that? Do you think it's all about selfish interest? Charlie, you know be so for you. And yes, I'm on a marriage or sometimes or to me, yeah, the young. And I am last time Ubejina TikTok. We'll see. Mahama ba one year she na more heading like more kebi mano. Also, the discato conscience. Your conscience has been bought. Nyan saba kukura binka umutim. Your BS catch ya also your BS catch chire. Where is your loyalty? My loyalty now, say like fight for the youth. No, you please you can't share. No, my loyalty. No, are you okay? Ghanaian youth, I say I'm sorry. Ejuma ni your mind. Ejuma baku ni your mind.
If one calls himself an angel of God, claiming to run errands in God's name, yet betray that trust and exposes sacred responsibilities, history has a name for such figures, my brothers and sisters, fallen angels. Do you remember that so-called freedom fighter who spoke passionately about Ghana's progress? The one who ranted and bantered about national development, my brothers and sisters, today, the truth is clear. The people have been sold out. What happened to the priorities, if I may ask? Instead of choosing modest leadership and redirecting resources, we see the purchase of vehicles worth millions. Resources that could have directed to nurses who have gone and paid for a year and a half, or teachers who are still waiting for their salaries free, my brothers and sisters. These are same conditions under which we have seen silence. No protest, no demonstration, no really strong public stance. Now, Ghanaians, you can see what some of us have been saying all along. Be very mindful of where you place your trust. Not everyone who speaks boldly or everyone who speaks well serves the people well. Some are driven by personal gain, manipulating public sentiment while pursuing their personal interest. But let me make this clear to you. Leadership is not about titles, convoy, or comfort. It is about sacrifices, accountability, and standing with the people, especially in difficult times like this. And when leadership consistently chooses self over service, the consequences is national. My name is David West and I'm out.
And this is by wire, member. Raf, and this is by camera now. Did you church no man? Ira, Tupac Amarusha call. John Dramani Mahama by Babiana Oko at Penyah, at Makwa, Santa Region, Babiana, a Quani Yanana, Uchu channel. And this is by camera Nina Ira, Meboa. John Mama by Wayasa Quanina, Meboa. What Sakoni now, why am a Oliver Baka Vomao, Una I stop Galamse, when a rough, I must see quine, a many Pewufa, say Ghana for baby, Ghana form what baby, be who and I at the Meboa. Oh, wait, rough, Yansa Boaka, Unkwana Ghana, you Trunkwana Unumiansa, Beboa, Unkwana rough, Una Unumiansa, Ghana, you Trina. Ye knew so ye neutral person, ye knew Sana, a pipe in a showachi, Pine in a showachi, and all your yodum, and now this answer and phone. When I know Numiansa will catch I do champion, say. Nisikana, what you see, I saw it down and Nipakumbe Brebeno, oh, Numiansa could the best factory, Ama, now Soramano, and your humanity, Una Numiansa chadum champion, Meboa. Would you again hang a rough, Una Numiansa? Meboa, una na uka champion for say, omumbie bia nyuma na nipa nya bi nye ai asofo no omufo musika ne nya bi adwuma se da be ya Ghana no employment na se nyuma bebuo ama youth no enya bia omnya bi factories enya wa enne Ibrahim Mahama atam car I worth $100 e dia show nsem odam free one we wo se apotoliwa ande na sa aka ne dia odema o Mr Ibrahim kai dia sikana no oden first another can and what first can mommy that mean fan kwasi factory at least bet me pia water company and I say be council am a you to be there and be at least bet me pia cold store say there be a you to make my employee about 20 and not 10 say there be unemployment no and so bet here and they what the car now dem boa family ko pa dum che dua chaw sa wo kan kwasa sam na jimisam and the say on fa sika no embie factory say there be a new solema no o mi na benya bia che Kadum children come in, now sorry about another man, church member now about King Sans and Fona. And Cowboy so look where they are poor. O papa DC, Opona Namo, no me about O papa, DC and all on announcers, they know MP. Satam, Sab constituency no more. The whole swing now, papa say now, you water than a Galamse came pink as here, now your papa, as a super Ghana for council, a convincing Ghana youth, say, South Galamse. To Ghana youth woman, yen to Galamse as it goes. You to not say we are neutral, or you are fighting for the country, not knowing you are fighting for your selfish parochial interest. And the other cars, Myakao, cars, and Ibrahim Ahmad because ya power chidom am what the police for any organa, Nanaku for the move. Ya power chidom am what when he as politician so and then. Ya o share na album on pipe on album yes we are sano when your results no oh pipe na person ba waba eso so oba ye ususu boy na aka utrim oya de na nya utimi ka waka wana otum because there oh you can't fight ni emfa ma no onsa aka uwi anu asa be fa camera si onu aka say ai euro 2472 na ready am sro waya ohin kase de galamsey yi o kan ewom o kan omubeja aboa sabe ka che euro 2472 say on ka say galam on fa na no to galamsey be ka chere no sa fam ni ka be ka chere no ye mu bo aye wo ha ye de ni hwe sa twe camera si so ne be ka chere ayo euro 2472 say on fa na no to galamsey no o kwaje ka what $100,000 Adam nyaka o cars me wakwaje cars eno de uwie ukwaje sa cars euro 2472 ukoma ne car ba ko adum chedua ukoma ne car ba ko Ghana penifo na odi do matam so mumfo mu sika nsi factories ebe bi adwuma ma youth nya no wakoma mu kan bi wakoma mu kan bi Raf wakoma mu kan bi unkwana nim nyansa o Ghana ha meboa Unkwana adom nyankopon adom nyansa wisdom nyankopon dia chew se fa didi mpanifo atom na fire mpanifo na ka mo say asi fidie no tia bo na ni sunko eja no so ani sunko. Let's give time some time. Una unim nyansa o papa galamsey kimpen ofunje o papa galamsey kimpen wanti man kan say on stop galamsey wanti man na nya galamsey enso akufo do mam me say MPP ni ye lose no jama o Raf bi say sumne bola so ade say be fu na mamwo tan e be ye MPP ni pasa e kan kwasa sem bola so no ma de fan MPP ho e ma ne to Ghana youth asum o ko to abade tia na akufo do MPP no MPP ye lose no jama o Raf e ko jina police for dim e kasa mo bahat e kasa kwase e kasa de fa ayi Ghana police ho na akufo do amamwo no ho ye MPP for de e na nya hwe munya no enya hwe ho na mo ni opposition MPP ho na mo hwe ma Raf din samfo no ene ne mo ni opposition na mo te no Mr. King Jonas enkwane no kwafo King Jonas enkwane ehu se okasa ma Ghana because on support MPP on support NDC oba na odin samfo a King Jonas be ka chiro ono kwane ehu be bi ogina King Jonas ono kwane ehu so e neutral e o Ghana ha neutral person na Ghana e King Jonas ono kwa oba na odin kwasa ma be ka na kufa do so osupa papa di papa na tem John Mahama so bae osupa din edinatem cause no be one more than no kobo so a wotimi nye odinatem na se amono ne ahye mafrum ma ntina na mu twa tro sam ne to MPP aban so ne ahye mafrum ma ti am kan sam phone friendly ma sam e fa na kufa da hono posterity will judge you all
me pacho me tro ade bi muntie enti mo ma men kan kyeremo
yes ye be
muntie Raf comes from a very strong NDC home in Dunkwao on Ofen.
Okay.
A very influential NDC people. He grew up at a suburb called Agri Road. His grandfather, the late Adai Jambra, was an NDC MP under JJ's government in Upper Dentra constituency. Boy, his grandfather was slapped in Dunkwao Central Market by JJ. For squandering money that was meant for Dunkwao. I am free. Lorry station. Then another no JJ born in an any because none in another comfort.
Corruption while we see any muto.
Nyabotanian to Raf's father. Honorable Peter Kofi Owusu Ashia was NDC parliamentary candidate in Upper Dentra East constituency. And later became MCE for the constituency. His father was arrested while still MC for aiding in Galamsey. Joy News reported the case in 2013. Where a citizen here of fighting Galamsey.
Ragati asamaba. Audio no ewapa entini se wunya time wa na wankasa wakwa read the website and ene wo hono mono. Now you see, wona will say you don't agree with me, and I'm not here for you to agree with me. Me pesa me ma wuhunu di ekoso Ghana me bie wani na me sa so bie wasom. Rafi ababa be video akwa adum chedu asore ho se wonti so bi da. Se adum chedu tieniye enye sika odi akwa kosi asore ndan kese ema na asore fo no ma contribute se
omu pe baabi atena sɔre ndɛ maton de akosi wa mom se awia nsi omu ensu omu omu no Ralph ewo problem sa de ntina papa no amfa mie factory ewo abra wonana ebeye MP o papa esoso ba ye no ono so beye say MCSM whatever it is omu nyina no obie no hono otimi eye dai contribute ya build one factory cry wa Ghana na wo galamsey na wo ko stop galamsey na nunti wudi ko bubu National Cathedral de afa ho nyina no Ralph o papa according to report no na oye galamsey kingpin da ben Ralph etimi abetena hanomo aka say oh because of the me papa e de aye Ghana water bodies intino enu nti na mani abra me pesa me fight galamsey onka bibi sa da bi Ralph ania bread den because a selfish interest wo hunu se honomo enana ekwan da eno dege honomo na me betra de konti make say any selfish interest no after Ralph ebeye stop galamsey ene mate bi akọ Ralph akwa jika yesi e cost 100,000 ewo Ibrahim Mahama ho ene wo hono ono ankasa ba be video wone Rasta guy Tupac Amasha course one who guy me pen asemi ama wo ma confirm wom say Ibrahim Mahama cho achene cars enye car so what yase na Ibrahim Mahama de car ne chane car yase e cost say omoboa de ameso meboa 100,000 no adenti na one kan say oh papa car ya wo de ma me de me ho so ye Ghana kwan kra nye so ahu galamsey yi ye fight because me papa ba ye no oba be say Ghana nsuo enti sese no de anka me pesa me ye no say me pesa nka sika no fama me na me mfanya campaign to aso na galamsey nsuo no ente anase sika no anka de fama me na ebia ye president Mahama ni dream kokon ketenkete no ka me fa bi start na nka mentimi emie nyuma na amanfo nya bi ono no nya sika no wa me de akwa akoto card ya ma no wa mfa mie factory na obi akwa bie na asore we kwa de yamfa nche no ono a church members na contribute nese wodi akosi asore na nke sister yombe koma wo problem wo ho meboa wonko na adepa e fataw meboa wo papa report no na da ho no ba bedi Ghana fo wu sei ama ye che no eno no de wonka ho asamo da Batut mi bejina beka se ane ena sebi na mebo me mu otumfo ekasa baabia ye din entino otumfo onhwe no stop galamsey wa bra papa wo papa wo kwase ampanyin wei wo papa ene se Ghana nsuo eno so kra no wanfa mie factory bia manipa ba akokora nya bi anye wo so ba ya wo do selfish interest e ho na anim se kwan da ena wo de aboho kwan anene ye de to ka ma wo wan fa sika na nyanko bie factory na nanka pese ye papa dum che bia ko bie ni bi na we obi bejira be ka chem say ane I don't agree with you. Don't ever agree with me because I don't want you to agree with me. Very foolish talk. Say ane ena wosen ko di bie factory nyansa wo trim wo plans bebre wo nya sika na ye ka ena wa me de ato ama wo woni won fa ne bo
Should I watch your mama? Ever comment section. I Penyah Block Media.